What's up, creators? I am back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this really cute, quick, and simple two-piece. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned.
Perfect.
So this is a little bit of scraps that I had from a previous outfit. This is like from the knee down of a mermaid dress. So it's just like around a little bit less than half a yard of fabric. Now you want to go ahead and measure out the top length for the bralette, and you want to also make sure that you're measuring out your waist and bust measurements. Now those measurements, as we know, need to be divided by 4, and you want to just mark those off on each piece of fabric. Now that everything is marked off, you want to go ahead and just cut everything out. After you cut everything out, it's a very simple concept. You're just going to go down each of those side seams and sew them right side to right side. Now, as you can see here, everything is all sewn together, but for that waist piece, it is a good bit too big. So I might have had added a little too much seam allowance. Due to this fabric being somewhat stretchy, I wouldn't do a lot of seam allowance, but I had to just go back in and retrace where I sewed just to take that waist part in some more. And as you can see here, the skirt has a lot better fit. Now after this, I still decided to go in and take it in a little bit more because I wanted a really snug fit, and we also went in and added slits on the side. So yeah, that's basically what we did in this step. So now you're just going to go back in and cut out that excess fabric from where I took this skirt in a little, just to prevent it from being so bulky, and there's no need for the extra fabric. After this, we're just going to go ahead and put everything on the mannequin and check out the overall fit. I think I ended up taking the bralette in just a little bit more, but other than that, everything was a perfect fit. I love this fabric, so we just went with a very simple silhouette, and yeah, that's the kind of the end result. So we're gonna go back in and hem everything, and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment video ideas. Give me things that you want to see. I am so excited for the future of this YouTube channel. Make sure that you stay tuned.